About this item: 3x iPhone fast charging. The 20W USB-C port, PD fast adapter, USB-C wall charger, and 6 feet USB-C to lightning cable, which can reach up to 3x faster than the Apple original 5W charger. MFi Certified. Kazudin brand has completed MFi certification requirements, which can be found on the official site of MFi Certified. The USB-C to lightning cord equips automatic chip recognition function. You could connect your MacBook/Pro with your iPhone/iPad directly and enjoy the 480 Mbps data transfer speed. 100% flawless compatibility with Apple devices. No more trigger warning messages. Universal compatibility works with for iPhone 14/13/13 mini/13 Pro/12/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/12 mini/11/11 Pro/11 Pro Max/XS Max/XS/X/XR/8 Plus/8, iPad Pro/iPad Air/iPad, AirPods Pro. Standard charging speed works with iPhone 7/7 Plus/6s/6s Plus/6/6 Plus/SE/5s. Perfect combination with 4-pack 2-pack of 20W USB-C iPhone charger and 2-pack of 6 feet USB-C to lightning charging cable are packed lightweight, and it saves space and is convenient to pack into bags and pockets. The input of this USB-C power adapter is ideal for worldwide travel. Is the optimal choice for charging your iPhone. Convenient support which have a hassle-free lifetime warranty. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. We promise to solve your problems within 24